Today, in this video, we'll take a look at how to run the post-hoc test in SPSS after applying one-way ANOVA, that is, analysis of variance. We're going to open SPSS and then go to the variable view right down here. To feed the data, we'll run the one-way ANOVA. So for that, put the variable 1 here, that is volume. And the second one is exam scores. So basically, we want to know, does the volumes of music while studying have an impact on exam scores or not? In this volume section, we'll having this value, go through it and put for value 1, the label will be none, means no volume. Click on add. For 2, label low volume. Same goes for the third group, that is high volume. Click on add and then click OK. So we are done here. Go to the data view. So I'll be quick and put up the values. Here it is. You can see. So in the volume section, we'll put 1 for the low volume, or sorry, for none, no volume. For the low, we'll start from here and third from here. So we have put up the data. So as you can see, for the group 1, we'll having these exam scores, okay, till here. And for the low volume, these, and for the high volume group, these. So we know in ANOVA we compare more than 2 groups, right? So after putting these values, go to the analyze, compare means, and then one-way ANOVA. So clicking on this, you'll get dialog box like this. So the volume is our dependent or factor. This is our factor, and exam scores are dependent list. As I've already told you, that the volume of music while studying will seeing the impact on the exam scores of the students. Okay, so we're gonna go for some more settings in this post hoc. Click on Tuki, then continue. Why we are opting this test? Because they're having the equal variances assumed. Okay, they're having 10 10 10 in both the 3 groups. In the options, go for the descriptive, homogeneity of variances, and continue. Okay, so it's all set here. Let's click on OK. So we'll get our results. This is the descriptive statistics. Here you can see the mean, no volume, N is 10 in all 3 groups. Here we get the value of 84.9 in low volume, 84.2, and high volume 77.5. We have also checked Levin's test, that is homogeneity of variances, and that is 0.849. So We'll okay to go and perform this post hoc test. Next, here we can see the between groups and within groups. TF F value is 4.622 and significant at 0.019. So we know that if we get the value um of P less than or equal to 0.05, which was our significant level we set at, so there is significant difference. But only applying ANOVA, we cannot determine yet that where is the differences. Okay, this is the significant value. Now we move to the post hoc test which we apply to key test. Okay, so here you can see the comparisons to all the three groups, to non-volume to low volume, and then to non-volume to high volume. Okay, you have to compare like this in diagonal, and here you can see the value of significant, that is 0.963, means this is greater than 0.05. So we find no significance between these two groups. Okay, moving down to the none, no volume or high volume, we'll get 0.027. You can compare all these values we have get here. Okay, moving to this homogeneous subsets. Here this means if we are getting the two, if we are getting the values in the same column. Okay, like here in second column of low volume and no volume. Okay, these two values are here, so it means it's reflecting that they are having no significant difference. Okay, they are almost same. And the other one which is on the different column, it's having significant difference between these groups. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching.